Hello and welcome to beautiful Hamburg, where in only 3 months we will make gravity suck again. It's true, it's gonna be great, ask anyone. We will start our early bird ticket sale and we'll start it tomorrow on Wednesday the 5th of April at exactly 7 p.m. of the Central European time. So don't be late, be the first ones to get a ticket for Gravity Sucks. We also have a chance for you guys to save 3 of the tickets for free. It's really easy, you just have to tag 2 of your mates down below in the comment section, 2 of your friends, and if you're lucky, tomorrow when the sale starts, the 3 of you will already have a ticket and don't need to buy one. It's great, it's awesome, ask anybody. So, be ready for the ticket sale and be here from July 28 to 30 when we finally make Gravity suck again. Bye bye.